Give him a hug. Oh. Good girl. Give him a hug. Can you give him a kiss, Eddie? Aww. Good girl. Kiss?
Oh, is he hungry too? There you go. He's hungry, eh? Oh, are they hugging?
What a cutie pie, Abby. Wow, can I give you a hug too? Can I give you a hug?
She wants you to hug her guy. Cute.
Wow, you really love him, don't you? His name is Samir.
Evie, give him a kiss. Wow! Oh! I've been attacked!